Dan Ives, Wedbush Securities, joins us now. He has an outperform on Zscaler, raises his price target, also an outperform on CrowdStrike. All right, Dan. Zscaler, some investors seem to have been a bit bothered by the lack of guidance there. You're not amongst them.
No, I mean, they're going to continue to, I think, under-promise and over-deliver. I mean, in my opinion, this is really the start of a golden age for cybersecurity, led by Zscaler, CrowdStrike, Palo Alto, and others. David, any of these sell-offs, we're strong buyers. I think it's a table pounder sector going into 2024.
Why, though? I mean, listen, it's not as though that's a secret that this is a need for so many corporations, and the stocks perhaps reflect that in terms of their multiples. So just saying it's going to be they're going to have the wind at their back doesn't necessarily mean the stocks are going to go up, Dan.
Yeah, great. So to that point, I think Street's underestimating numbers as you go into next year or two by 15, 20%. I mean, based on our analysis, less than 50% of workloads are in the cloud today. So what's happening is there's a push. We see it from, of course, the trophy case in Redmond. You see it from Jazzy AWS. You see it at Google. As all these workloads go to the cloud, they need to be protected. That's why right now you look at CrowdStrike. You look at Zscaler, Palo Alto, it's all coming to them. And I think this is $200 billion of a market opportunity up for grabs over the next 3 to 4 years, a bonanza that we see of cybersecurity spending.
How much cyber, do we have numbers on how much companies are already spending on cyber and how much more they need to be spending? Is there some sort of data where we see when that is saturated?
Yeah, and Sarah, to that point, we've talked about 3 to 4% of budgets, or less in a lot of areas, are actually cybersecurity, and we think that potentially doubles over the next 2 to 3 years. And that's why for cybersecurity, even when you look at the Cisco Splunk deal, I think this is going to be just a tidal wave of M&A that happens in cyber, because more and more strategics, financials, are looking at this sector, Rock of Gibraltar in terms of the spending levels. And I think what you saw from Zscaler, you're going to see from CrowdStrike, and the table pounder continues to be Palo Alto, where I think many bears continue to sort of doubt what these companies are going to do.
Right. But you're just saying buy them all is what I'm hearing you say.
Look, I think cybersecurity is a golden age. So, I mean, if you could fret about valuations, in my opinion, when you ultimately look at what's really happening here, we're talking about growth 30, 40% next few years. A lot of these companies are going to double the revenue over the next 2 to 3 years. I view it as more of a moment like 1995. I think it's the start of a new tech bull market. Cybersecurity is front and center. And I think 210 for Zscaler, 200 for CrowdStrike, I think is just the starter to where these are ultimately going.